Hello, people who may or may not know me. Tonight I finished the next step on my mechanical keyboard, custom built. So I'll show you what we have here. So this is the keyboard. This is my messy working soldering station with my soldering iron and all my other fun stuff. Anyway, so here's the keyboard. I want you to watch closely if you can. I don't know if we can get both in there. But I'm going to press keys on the keyboard and stuff is going to happen on the screen. Now, to be honest, the keys that I'm pressing on my keyboard are not the keys that I want to be pressed on the computer, but when I press keys on here, on this, it is making keys be pushed here. Pretty cool, huh? This is what the back side of that madness looks like. It's powered by a Arduino Teensy. Or it's not really an Arduino, it's just a Teensy. It's run by the same chip as the Arduino. There you can see my utterly fantastic rows of solder. Alright, thank you.